Hello everyone, Matt here, otherwise known as HutchPulse3213 online. And the reason I'm not animating this, and the reason I'm not doing the 500 special is, well, I am doing the 500 subscriber special. I'm currently working that right now, so that's why I'm trying to get this video out as early as possible. I think it's really cool. I think you guys will really like it. So let's just get started. Again, thank you guys so much for finding new subscribers. I really appreciate that. I never thought I would come to this point, so yeah. It's okay. So, as you can tell, I wrote out the numbers 1 through 9. And those are squares. So, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 16, 5 to 25, 6 to 36. Yeah, you guys get the point. And now, if you're a bit older, like into high school or like late middle school, you might point out, oh, this guy's going to say, bullies ended 1, these and then 4, these ended 9, is insane. It's just sort of why. And no, that's not what I'm talking about. That's not even close. What I'm really going to do is, so we're going to do something. Pick any square from right here. I'm going to choose 36. Right now, 36. Right here, 36. And now I'm going to look at the previous square, 25. Now I'm going to write 25 here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to subtract these. So this gives us with 11. Okay. And now we're going to find the square root. So the square root of 36 is 6. And the square root of 25 is 5. I think you can see where this is going. When we add the square roots, the sum of the square roots is a difference from the smaller square subtracted from the larger square. 11. 11 equals 11. That's pretty cool. Let's look at another example of this. And let's take 64. 64 right here. And in the previous square, 49. We're gonna, and the answer to this is 15. I think, yeah, it is. Okay. And now I'm gonna do the same thing. The square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 49 is 7. What is 8 plus 7? 15. And when I did research about this, apparently nobody found this. I mean, people did find this, but it's not really talked about. And it surprised me because it's not just this that I found. Actually, much later, when I was looking at like this again, I wanted to do something else. So, and what it did, it will surprise you. So we're gonna add 2 to 4, 1 to 1, 39, 4 to 16, 5 to 25, 6, yeah, I think you know where it's going. So we're gonna do that. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6, 12, 20. Wait, 12 is, okay, right here. A bit squished, we don't like it. 36, no, sorry, 30. This will be 42. This will be 56. This will be 74. No, 72, sorry. And this will just be 90, of course. And now you might think or say, it's obvious all these are even numbers. No. Now we're going to see what numbers we need to add to get all of these. So 2 plus 1 number equals 6. 4. It's the same thing here. 6. 8. Oh, that is very distorted. 8. 10, 12, 14, 16. And with that logic, you guess what this will be? 18. This pattern looks pretty familiar. It's the multiples of 2. Oh, so we had 0 here. 0 plus 0 is 0. This would be plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now, I'm not really sure what this is called. And I'm also not sure what this is, because this is not a coincidence. There's a reason. The reason for what? I'm still trying to figure out. But, what my theory is that how do you find the square root of a number? You see how those are multiples of 2? To find the square root of x, we go x to the power of 2. That's what we find the square number. And what do you know? The pattern that we just saw were the multiples of 2. Now, this video has been a coincidence. I don't know if it's actually the reason or there's another reason, but hey, if you know what this is called, or if you haven't known about this, but again, you never tried this site, you never told anyone, so if you know what this is called, please let me know, because this is really interesting. So, that's really all there is for the video. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'm really thankful, and I'll try to get the 500 subscribers out as early as I can. Thank you guys, and have a great day.